Take your Hershey's chocolate and place them straight into your air fryer. Get all that chocolate right on in there and follow it up with your M&Ms. Just pouring those straight into your air fryer. Get them all right in there. Now, the question is, do you love chocolate fondue? If you don't, I can't relate because we are making chocolate fondue right here in the good old air fryer, and just pour some heavy cream right over top. Get that nicely covered in your heavy cream. Just all that beautiful chocolate, heavy cream, M&Ms, magic going on. Then even more chocolate. I mean, can you have too much chocolate? No, you can't. Pour all of that chocolate straight into the air fryer, and then you just want to give that a good mix up. So just mix that up, mixing all of the chocolate. And now it's very important that you have that heavy cream in there. That is going to help kind of turn this into like a chocolate ganache that we're going to dip any type of delicious fruit into, any type of delicious appetizer that we want to get chocolatey. So just take that. Now ready for it. Now the secret is you want to air fry this at a very, very low temperature. So let's turn on our air fryer over here. Maybe turn on the extension cord also helps. Get the air fryer on. Here we go. We're gonna go on air fry now. Temperature, we want to do a temperature of 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Very low and slow is the name of the game. And start. Listen to that hum. The air fryer's going. We're gonna have chocolate fondue in seconds. Oh boy, it just turned off. Let's take a peek. I mean, it kind of just looks like chocolate milk now. Let me stir this up. Oh yeah, look at all that beautiful chocolate. Now I'm telling you, the secret to making this work is doing that low temperature. If you air fry this at 400, goodbye, it's gonna burn, it's gonna become awful. But doing this at the correct temperature is seriously a game changer. So just give this a stir, stirring that up. You want to fully combine. Now, the thing when you make a chocolate ganache like this is that at first it's going to look like it's not going to come together, but it will, and it is starting to come together. So just take that back into the air fryer. We're going to keep on cooking this in that air fryer for more minutes until it's fully melted. I'm so excited. All right, ready for it. Let's see how it looks. Oh boy, I mean, that looks pretty darn delicious if you give that a stir. Now, I know you might say, Eitan, you're insane. Why would you ever do this in an air fryer? Why wouldn't you do it in an air fryer? That is my question. I mean, you know, it's just a fun way. Look at that. You have a delicious chocolate sauce. Now, some of that chocolate I just think is never going to melt. I keep trying, but you know what? Chocolate fondue time. Start a party. You know, maybe you want to have some s'mores. Well, look at that. Who needs a campfire when you can just dip your marshmallow right in that chocolate, place it here, and enjoy s'mores just like that. I mean, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful chocolate. You can obviously then also just take your graham crackers, dip it in, and you have this, look at that, luscious chocolate sauce made entirely in your air fryer. I mean, come on. Comment down below, what should I try to make next in an air fryer? Because I'm convinced anything's possible. Anything and everything is possible. Let's give it a try. Oh God, the dogs are excited. Oh my God. Chocolate overload.